Firstly, I would like to, on behalf of the Malaysian Bar, express our deepest condolences to the families of Dato' Sosilawati Lawiya and the other victims of the recent murders, and we convey our sympathies and support, particularly to the family of Saudara Ahmad Kamil Abdul Karim, a member of the Bar. We strongly condemn the perpetrators of these heinous crimes and urge the police to continue their efforts to investigate the incidents exhaustively and to ensure that those responsible are charged in court as soon as possible. Whilst we are aware of the speculations and the public interest issues in this case, nothing should be allowed to detract from the primary focus of the matter, which must be that justice is served expeditiously through the criminal justice system. We commend the police investigations thus far, and we are pleased to note that the police have indicated that they are close to solving these cases. We would like to urge the media and the public to ensure that all the rights of all parties, including the persons who have been detained, are protected. We are concerned that undue allegations or speculation could prejudice or jeopardize the investigation and outcome of any court proceedings. We must also accept and understand that under our criminal justice system, remanded persons or persons charged in court are innocent until proven guilty, and they must be given a fair chance of defending themselves in court. We would like to reiterate that the Malaysian Bar does not condone any form of misconduct by any of its members. We welcome and support strict action by the police against any errant lawyer. We have always assisted the police when police reports are lodged against members of the Malaysian Bar in relation to the legal practice, and we assure the public and the police that we will continue to do so. We wish to provide clarification with respect to the powers of the Bar Council. We are a statutory body established to regulate the practice of the legal profession in Peninsular Malaysia. The Bar Council's powers are very limited, like those of any other professional body. We can only supervise and regulate the professional conduct of the members of the Malaysian Bar. We do not have powers or the authority to inquire into the private conduct of individuals who are lawyers by profession, including matters relating to their private lives and their private bank accounts and assets. Other enforcement agencies such as the police, the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission, Bank Negara, Inland Revenue Board has the mandate to conduct such investigations. Any form of criminal conduct that falls outside the scope of a lawyer's professional practice is also beyond the Bar Council's jurisdiction. The Bar Council's disciplinary board, the Advocates and Solicitors Disciplinary Board is one of the most stringent professional bodies in Malaysia, to the extent that a lot of our members have complained that it is biased against members. The disciplinary board undertakes a rigorous inquiry into each instance of complaint received against our members. On an average, 30 lawyers are struck off during each of the past 5 years, and although this represents a mere 0.2% of our total membership, it is indicative of the Malaysian Bar's commitment to act in the public interest and our intolerance of any wrongdoing by our members. Ini berkenaan dengan kes Datuk Sosilawati khusus yang ditahan 2 orang adalah peguam. Kedua-dua ini telah dibatalkan keahlian ataupun telah dilucutkan. Mereka telah membuat rayuan ke Mahkamah Tinggi dan Mahkamah Tinggi telah memberikan perintah penggantungan pelaksanaan. So your question is, yes, the disciplinary board has struck them off the rolls, but unfortunately or fortunately, however you look at it, they are still on the rolls because of the stay order granted by the High Court. A person has a right to legal representation. So if it would be in the best interest of the criminal justice system that they would be represented by lawyers, so that it ensures that justice is done, ensure that everybody understands what's happening, and if there's a conviction, then it will be in accordance with the law. I think that's what we are concerned with. We must ensure that whatever happens, no matter how outrageous or how upset we are with the nature of the crime, we must also accept that we have a criminal justice system. And the criminal justice system ensures that each one person who is charged in court has a right to legal representation. So it is a right which is provided for under the law, and I think that's a right we have to respect. It is very difficult to find something worse in Malaysian criminal history. 4 people killed in this manner. I think we are all very upset with what has happened. 4 innocent people have lost their lives, and one of them is a member of the Malaysian Bar. These lawyers were disbarred in November of 2009. It is not stated in the report, and kami tidak ada kuasa untuk memantau lebih daripada apa yang berlaku. Kami tidak boleh menghidu. We cannot suspect that this person is involved in criminal activities. Even the police can't do that. How do we, as the Bar Council, take such action? If you notice, I mean, if those of you who's been in Banting, you will know where the office is. It's right in front of the police station. Kalau pihak polis tak boleh menghidu, kita di Majlis Peguam 100 km lebih daripada tempat tu boleh menghidu. Isn't it? I mean, I don't want to blame anybody, but let us focus on what is the issue. Blaming the Bar Council is not going to solve the problem. We will cooperate with any of these enforcement agencies. Yeah? If there's any errant lawyers out there, we do not want to see them out there. In public interest will require that we take the strongest action against lawyers, and I do not want to say that the speculation out there that the Bar Council is not making a statement, for instance, I think is not true. We have to ensure that justice is done in this case. Justice not only for those persons who are remanded, justice for the families of the victims. I think they are going through a tremendous period of sorrow, and I think they need a little bit of respect and understanding from us as well. The respect is that we want to ensure that investigations are completed in the shortest time possible. We want to see them charged in court, and we want to see a conviction if they are guilty. Itu yang kita perlu fokuskan kepada lah.